Good morning mga ka-rider, this is Jerry Rider Motovlog. Welcome to my vlog. And sponsor natin Equinoxes Motorcycle Center. Ngayon po, mag-unbox po tayo ng bagong dating nating delivery para sa ating supplies, parts and materials sa NK400. So tara na. So ito na guys, bagong dating natin ang ating clutch lining para sa NK400. High quality OEM materials, 2, 4, 6, 7 pieces in one set. So NK400 clutch lining, nakikita nyo po, very affordable po ito, high quality po ito. Mabibili sa aming Shopee store at Lazada, sa aming Shopee at TikTok store. So very minimal lang po ito, ilang set lang to. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 sets lang po ang dumating sa ating clutch lining na NK400. So paunahan na lang po ito sa mga gusto mag-order. Dumating din po ang ating high quality na ignition coil, ang KYY brand, ang ever reliable na ating KYY brand. High quality OEM po ito na ignition coil, very affordable. Makikita nyo po, year 2023, October 30 siya production date. So makikita nyo po, yan. So high quality na ignition coil, marami na pong bumibili na ito, very affordable. At mabibili po sa aming Shopee at TikTok shop. So sa lahat ng gustong bumili ng parts ng NK400, pasok lang po kayo sa aming TikTok at Shopee store. So wag po kayo nahiyang mag-inquire din sa amin, mag-chat lang po kayo, mag-PM. Available din po ito sa wholesale and resale price. So marami pong dumating sa atin. So kung makikita nyo po, ito po lahat yan.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate.